We're seeing some small ponding on the roadways out there. Of course, your best bet, stay inside. No need to head out and about. We're hearing thunder here in the studio as well. Now, this is going to continue even as we get closer and then move just past the midnight hour, so we're not necessarily out of the woods just yet. 90 in Cambridge, but we add the humidity on top of that. The heat indices are what it feels like outside, low 100s, and it's going to get even worse as we head into your Saturday and into Sunday. You probably want to grab a nice rain jacket, because if you're carrying the umbrella, these breezy winds out of the east nonstop may, ruin your afternoon or may ruin your umbrella. Last thing you want to deal with on a rainy day. So again, if you're headed out and about, you'll probably run through some patches of that fog. Same story early tomorrow morning, and early tomorrow morning, those temperatures going to end up right around 60s. Welcome back. We're live here at the Delaware State Fair inside the exhibit hall, as there are some severe storms moving in and through the area. I don't believe it's necessarily raining just yet here in Harrington, but it will be very quickly, and there are some very dark looking clouds as we look off towards the west. This is what we would call an omega block, because the jet stream kind of looks like the symbol omega. And really, we don't see much of a change with this. So, of course, as we've been seeing, sunshine and sunshine sticks with us into your Saturday, topping out right around 60 once again. We are dry, which is some great news at the moment. However, rain is expected to potentially continue to slide through as we head overnight and into your day tomorrow. So going through the next few hours, 68 degrees is going to be our pretty average temperature by 7 and 9 o'clock. Not dropping much, and there is the chance for some rain or some drizzle. Take a look at those monstrous waves kind of sliding in across the Atlantic Ocean. The issue, though, obviously, this is the boardwalk right here. No, that is not wood. That is sand that has washed across, even some of that sand making it into the circle in downtown Rehoboth. Now, obviously, if you're along the coast, you're dealing with some flooding out there, specifically during those high tide times. Welcome back. We're dealing with, of course, this incoming boundary that's moving in and through our area. Not really providing any relief for us here on Delmarva, sadly, but it is bringing in some extra cloud cover. We're seeing that kind of sliding through the mid-Atlantic states. If you were in Pennsylvania, the other side of the bay, or even in New Jersey, as definitely saw some heavy thunderstorms earlier today. But we've stayed fairly quiet, at least for a majority of the day here on Delmarva. Now, our northern counties, obviously Newcastle County dealing with some heavy thunderstorms at the moment. Dover just starting to see a few quick little showers kind of sliding in and through the area. And that is providing a little bit of some stronger winds for that region, but mainly just dealing with some partly cloudy skies and, yes, the potential for maybe a pop-up shower or storm as we go through the rest of the night. Now, it's still warm out there temperature-wise. Not the most comfortable evening here on Delmarva. 83 degrees at the moment in Salisbury, 88 in Easton, 79 in Dover. They've had a little bit of some cooler conditions as that boundary is sliding closer. But again, it's not really providing a lot of relief, because heat indexes are still in the 90s. Feels like 92 degrees in Cambridge and in Salisbury, 94 in Ocean City, and the warm spot, Georgetown, 96 degrees for their current heat index. Now, note up in Dover, they've been a little cooler. There's changing things a little bit as that boundary does slide closer. More of a northerly flow there, but everybody else dealing with that southerly wind. And with that southerly wind, we'll gradually continue to see just another warm and muggy evening for us here on Delmarva. Now, temperature-wise, we do dip down into those upper 70s, so be prepared for that. Looking at some partly cloudy skies, already seeing that. And the chance for some showers, mainly as we enter into those AM hours. Now, the reason why, of course, we're still dealing with that system kind of tonight and early tomorrow morning, well, it's kind of stalling out just across our area. There is relief. It's just really small relief, and we'll deal with it more into Wednesday. Now, it's still going to be the hot and humid day for a majority of Delmarva, especially for our southern counties tomorrow, topping out in the mid to lower 90s. The big issue, though, are your heat indexes, 100 to 105 with a mix of sun and clouds. It's another hot day here on Delmarva. Now, we do get a little relief. We slowly drop down as we head into the end of the week. Chance for spotty showers and storms as we head through Wednesday and late into Thursday. And the weekend ahead, still looking humid, but temps a little nicer in those upper 80s.